How to download Temu application on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download Temu application on your Android device. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and simply click on search, and once you click on search, just search in for the Temu application. And as you can see, there might be a lot of application which might look similar to Temu, but it's the logo as you can see on the screen, and for your confirmation it has over 500 million plus download. So from over here just click on install and wait for some time for it to be downloaded and being installed on your device. So once it gets installed, simply click on open to open your application, and you just have to accept all of your cookies for this web application, and just like that you have successfully downloaded and installed your Temu application on your Android device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.